Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Bluehost's marketplace to enhance your site. First of all, go ahead to the official website. Make sure that you buy the best plan. If you want unique domains, web hosting, WordPress feature, tools, all in one place, visit the link in the description box. Now, there is many types of marketplace. There is the marketplace business models. There isn't a one size fits all when it comes to online marketplaces. Depending on what you want to sell or offer, you can choose from different marketplace business models. If you are in the business of products, a product marketplace connects vendors selling physical goods with customers looking to buy them. You have the service marketplace. The service marketplaces bring together service providers and clients. Platforms like Fiverr or Fever or TaskRabbit are example of this. In service marketplace, you can connect freelancers or professionals with client needing specific tasks completed. You have the rental marketplace, booking marketplace if you're booking for restaurants or appointments or reservations. A digital product marketplace like ebook, maybe Shopify, something like that, or Gumroad, or Envato market. This is ideal for creative and tech enthusiasts who can easily share their work globally with minimal overhead. Right, best for designers, developers, writers, and creators. And there's basically multiple marketplaces to enhance your website. All right, and if you want to create, or if you are new to this and you want to create a marketplace website using WordPress, first of all, decide on your marketplace business model. Find reliable website hosts like Bluehost, and basically select a domain name, of course, and keep it short and simple. And install WordPress to set up your website, of course, and then pick a marketplace theme. Right, you can use eMart. This is ideal for both digital and physical products. You can go ahead to get to know it better, right, from here. Or you can just close here. And you can use Marfree. Is designed for large scale online marketplace. Deals that, or eLab. Okay, so basically you if you're new to this, you can create your website and start your journey with it. Now if you want to use or if you want to know which marketplace Bluehost's best to enhance your site, that's up to your SEO tool. So again, you use the SEO tool for your specific product or service, and you're gonna be able to basically from there enhance your website. Okay, that depends on your product or goods. So you have SEO Presser, for example. This is an amazing website to enhance your marketplace. And you have the Yoast, right? Amazing website as well to enhance your marketplace in a Google search. All right, and if you want to know more about it, there is the free version. You have the better version as well to enhance your own journey, to optimize your website, to make your marketplace more accessible. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.